Hello everybody. So today I will talk about finance. The topic today is about simple interest. So now I will show you how to answer. We have 12,000 is accumulated to 13,000 when invested a simple interest for 2 years. What is the interest rate? So now I will show you how to answer. We have accumulation equals to the principal plus interest. About the interest, we have P13. R is about interest rate, T is about the time, and the time they use about years. So we want to find about B, so we just put the value in here. Accumulation, that's about this number. The principal, that's about 12,000. R is about interest rate. T is about 2 years. Now we need to find about R. So we put 12,000 go to the left. So this one you got about 1,000. Later that we divide both sides by number 12 and number 2. And then we got the final answer. We calculate about this one. And we have 0.041667, or we can simplify into 4.17%, and this is about the interest rate of this one in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.